This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable plates, specifically these natural wood plates. And you have a couple of different size and shape options, so you'll have a lot of choices to fit your needs. In the round, we have both a 7.5 inch and an 8.5 inch size. In our rectangle, we have a 4 3/4 by 3.5. along with a 7 3/4 by 5. And in the square, we have a 4.5 and also a 5.5 inch square as well. So there's lots of options, whether you're doing salads, sides, appetizers, dessert, you need something for bread or maybe some little accompaniments or other garnishes, or even dinner plate sizes. These are made from a great sustainable poplar wood that's both commercially compostable and biodegradable, making them a great eco-friendly option and a nice alternative to plastic or paper plates. They're a sturdy yet elegant option. That natural wood color and the natural wood grain gives it a nice soft feel while also being really durable and able to hold a lot of weight. They also feature a nice glassine paper lining that helps to add a nice grease resistance and water resistance to them as well, making them a great option for serving meals, especially those with heavy, larger portions. So these are a fantastic eco-friendly option for your next catered event or function, or just your next party at home.